In this video, I will talk about autophagy because it is very important for longevity. Okay, so as always, I recommend you to download the presentation as PDF file from the link in the description, so you can get also access to the full version of the PDF file and go to the sources of information. Here, I will present some short version of the presentation. Okay, let's go. So, autophagy is a cellular process critical for health and longevity. This natural process involves the breakdown and recycling of damaged cellular components, promoting renewal and preventing cellular dysfunction. Autophagy can be stimulated through various strategies like fasting and supplementation with compounds like spermidine. So, okay, so again, how we can ignite the autophagy? It is first of all fasting. So in calorie restriction is a form of fasting, and it induces autophagy by reducing the availability of nutrients, especially proteins, and triggering a cellular recycling process. Okay, so I always recommend to use intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting involving alternating periods of eating and fasting. It has been shown to improve autophagy and cellular health. There are many protocols of the intermittent fasting. I use one meal a day or OMAD, the protocol. This is most convenient for me. And then also time-restricted feeding. Restricting eating to a specific window of time, especially each day, can also activate autophagy, promoting cellular rejuvenation and extending lifespan. Okay, this is again, you can eat maybe in the time of the day, like from 3 to 6 hours. And it also can ignite autophagy, but on conditions which I will discuss later. What about spermidine? Spermidine is natural occurring polyamine found in various foods, including aged cheeses, mushrooms, and organ meats. So spermidine has been shown to activate autophagy, promoting cellular renewal and reducing inflammation in the body. So it has anti-aging effects. So it has been linked to increased lifespan in humans and extended health span in animals. So cardiovascular benefits studies suggest that spermidine intake can improve cardiovascular health, reduce blood pressure, and delay the onset of cardiovascular disease. Okay, so what sources of spermidine? Of course, you can buy it as supplement, but I don't recommend it because it's a lot of food sources of spermidine. It's first of all, it is aged cheeses. Aged cheeses like Parmesan and also some cheeses are excellent sources of spermidine. Next, what is personal I use? Mushrooms. Mushrooms, particularly shiitake and oyster mushrooms, are rich in spermidine and other beneficial components. And of course, organ meats. Organ meats like liver, heart, and kidney are excellent source of spermidine and other essential nutrients. Okay, so you see, you can you can buy these aged cheeses. They are relatively expensive in Thailand. They are very expensive, so I cannot use them. But organ meat and mushrooms are cheap, available. So mushrooms, for me, mushrooms are the best source of spermidine. So organ meat also. Organ meat, especially liver, beef liver is cheap and easy to prepare and delicious. I believe that's it. And easy to digest. Easily, these proteins from organ meat can be easily digested. So, okay, let's go to mushrooms. Mushrooms also have chitin. Chitin is a substance found in mushrooms, and it works as prebiotic, promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. So, and also one of the chitin in fermentation of chitin creates chitosan. Chitosan is derivative of chitin, and it has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial properties. And ketene and ketazone contribute to improved glucose tolerance, insulin secretion, and lipid metabolism, even in people who follow standard diet. But if you stay on ketogenic diet, it's even better. So ketogenic diet and longevity. Okay, so again, I believe that following ketogenic diet is absolutely essential for longevity. So what it includes reduced carbohydrate intake. Ketogenic diet is characterized by a low intake of carbohydrates and high intake of healthy fats. And it is shown that it promotes autophagy. Body, of course, it takes time to get adapted to the ketogenic diet, but body enters the state of ketosis, including and utilizing fat as a primary energy source, which has been linked to improved cellular health and longevity. So again, it takes no less than 3 months, actually sometimes 6 months, to get adapted to the ketogenic diet. The ketogenic diet promotes metabolic adaptations that can contribute to the reduced inflammation, improved mitochondrial function, and increased lifespan. So, okay, what strategies for longevity? So we can use fasting, of course, because fasting promotes autophagy and reduces inflammation. And spermidine supplementation, it's possible. It enhances cellular renewal, supports mitochondrial function, or you can use also a ketogenic diet because it improves metabolic health, extends lifespan in animal studies, and also if you include to ketogenic diet mushrooms and organ meat, it would be the best. Okay, dietary recommendations. Organ meats, again, I believe that it is absolutely important to consume in older age organ meats, such as liver, heart, and kidney, are the rich sources of spermidine, iron, and other essential nutrients are absolutely important. So eggs are complete protein source. I eat minimum 8 eggs a day. So high quality eggs a day, and so it is actually for bodybuilders it is recommended to eat up to 30 eggs a day. So okay, but it's okay, I'm not bodybuilder, so 8 eggs, it's maybe the maximum what I can eat a day. So the eggs provide an essential amino acids and nutrients for optimal health. And also next is what is also recommended, it is whey protein concentrate. It's you can buy it. They provide high quality protein and that can support muscle growth and repair. So it's very important to avoid sarcopenia. And of course mushrooms. Mushrooms are rich in spermidine, ketene, and other bacterial beneficial compounds that contribute in gut health and overall well-being. Okay, this is what I recommend, and actually it is quite delicious to combine eggs with mushrooms and sometimes in organ meat and like this. So okay, combining all this autophagy and ketogenic diet is the strategy to unlock longevity. So by adopting this combination approach that combines fasting, spermidine supplementation, ketogenic diet, and nutrient-dense diet, individuals can empower their bodies with the tools they need to optimize health span and potentially extend lifespan. I believe that it is again very important for longevity. So ongoing research is uncovering new insights in the mechanism of aging and longevity. By continuing to explore the potential of autophagy, spermidine, and other anti-aging strategies, we can continue to unlock the secrets of healthier and longest lifespan. Okay, so I hope you watched this short video. So this I present my personal opinion. I am not a medical professional. I have PhD in physics and mathematics, but I'm a professional scientist. I can think, and this is my professional skill to make some conclusions from available information. And but yet my opinion may or may not agree with official recommendation. Mostly not. So please do your own research. In the extended version of the presentation, you can find sources of information. You can go and read these scientific publications. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please support my channel. The minimum what you can do is to press a like and bell button, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family. Also, we can discuss an option of you to participate in the research. You can contact me with my email. The link is in the description to this video. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.